In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a client portal link in SimplePractice. By the end, you'll know exactly how to enable your portal, invite a brand new client, share the link with someone already in your system, and even copy your practice's full portal URL to send directly. First, make sure your client portal is turned on. In your SimplePractice account, go to Settings, then Scheduling, and open Client Portal Permissions. Here, enable the client portal. This switch is what allows clients to receive invitations and access your portal for things like intake forms, scheduling, and secure messaging. If this isn't on, no one can log in, so it's the most important starting point. When you're adding someone new, use the plus button and choose Create Client. Enter their email address carefully. This is where the invitation goes. As soon as you save, SimplePractice sends an invitation email that includes your client portal link, so the client can set up their access and get started. It's a good idea to double-check the spelling of the email and let the client know to look for an email from your practice, and to check their spam or promotions folder just in case. If the person is already a client, open their profile and click Edit. Find the Client Portal section, then choose Send Email or Send Invitation. This sends the portal invitation directly to the email listed on their profile. If your client uses multiple addresses, confirm which one they prefer for portal access, and update it before you send the invite to avoid confusion. Sending from the profile ensures the email is tied to the correct client, which helps keep everything organized and secure. You also have the option to share your practice's full client portal URL. To find it, go back to Settings, then Client Portal Permissions. Copy the full URL you see there and send it directly to clients. This is handy if you want to include the link in your welcome messages or appointment reminders. When sharing the link, avoid including any sensitive information in the same message. Keep it simple and remind clients to use the link only for secure access. To recap, confirm the portal is enabled, invite new clients during creation by entering their email, invite existing clients from their profile under Client Portal, and copy the full portal URL from Settings if you want to share it directly. That's all you need to confidently send a client portal link in SimplePractice.